Hi there YouTubers, it's me, Kurt, and today is not a shaving video, but a lathering video. I got Old Spice mug here. Shavng Old Spice, and in it I have some Yeti Snot, which I have soaked in a little water, as you may see. Yeah, a little water comes out of the bottom. So I have two brushes, place on, and my Shavng sock sherry. So I'm going to show you how I do it. Not saying I'm doing it the perfect way, but I can show you that you can make a good lather out of this soap, because it's a glycerin and melt, pour and melt soap, as some may say. It doesn't matter to me, I like it very lot. So there I soaked my brush. It's damp or wet, and I'm going to show you. Let me adjust the camera a little bit. Maybe that's enough. Goes for a little bit more. I think that's enough. Looks enough for me. And I have my regular hand bowl. Gonna drop some water into it and start whipping up. A little more water, perhaps. A little more, a couple of drops more. And you can smell the strong menthol smell. I really like that on my face, especially in the summer. It's good and cool. It's really easy. I'm sure I can whip some more. Get even more louder. Don't always have to load that long. There you have that. Also on the brush. think that's more than enough for 3 passes. So you can see, I take some on the brush. It's thick and good lather. So we have this one, the smoke cherries I've chosen. And I'm just going to soak it a little bit. And it's dripping. Yeah, it's dripping a lot. I'm just going to make it a little wet, not dripping. There, you can see. Gonna put on some water, sorry. So you see, it's really easy to make a good lather with this soap. That's a glycerin soap, not animal fat. And I probably could swirl a little more, add a little more water. Probably enough for 3 passes. No, I ain't no face latherer. I use it sometimes, but not every time. Maybe that even made thicker lather. This is a good brush. So you can see. I think that's enough for more than 3 passes. See? It's really good. I probably could have whipped it even more. And I really like the feel on the skin, the coldness. It's even better than the Progresso green, even though Progresso green is good too. And it's really cold. You can feel the menthol. In the beginning, probably it's going to be very strong for you if you're not used to strong menthol. But after some time, you get more used to it. So you see, you can make excellent lather with this soap. It's a glycerin soap. Beautiful. Almost good enough to eat. Yeah, look at that. I hope you liked my video. Not saying I'm an expert, but I'm just going to show you how easy it is to whip up the Yeti Snot soap. Now I do have soft water. I have shaved several places, not only here in Denmark and Oslo, and I didn't have much problems there either. Maybe it's soft water there also. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time. Have a nice day.